So check it out. Now we got tagged in a post on the Ditchingham Day Nursery's Facebook page, run by the Benjamin Foundation. Now they were asking for someone to revive their toy car for their play area for the children. Now who else was better for the job? I'm not too sure the lads are going to be happy when this one rolls in. Let's go in the workshop. So we took up the valet bay, we give it a good acid off, real hot steam to get rid of all the loose paint, and then Drew spent some serious hours dyeing it all down, getting rid of all the excess paint, getting back to the gel coat so we can see what holes we've got. And as you've seen, we've now filled with them big holes. We're going to knock them down, give it a good coat of primer, knock that down again, reassess, probably fill more holes, then prime it again, then rub it down again, then through to the paint shop. Drew's got some work to do. So the toy car is now complete. As I explained previously, we got tagged in a post by the Ditchingham Day Nursery, asking for someone to revive their toy car to go back into the playgrounds for the children to play on. Now, this nursery is funded by the Benjamin Foundation. This is an amazing foundation who help children, young people and families in the Norfolk and Suffolk area who are going through hard times. They provide stability, opportunities and independence to the people who they support. In 2017-18, they provided 36,150 hours of care to young children. They also helped over 2,500 people. This is an amazing foundation and we jumped at the chance to help out to put a smile back on these young children's faces. If you've got a sec, click the link below, go on to the Benjamin Foundation, do a bit of research on them and please leave a small donation. I hope you've all enjoyed this video. See you guys next time.